Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to use the Canva Brand Kit for consistent designs. Now, go to your, basically, go to your designs, make sure that you upload high resolution logo files, PNG or SVG, right? Add your official color palette by typing in the exact hex codes. Select or upload custom brand fonts or headings and body text. Upload frequently used brand photos, icons, and graphic elements. Now, if you want to apply the brand elements in designs, go ahead and open any design template in the Canva editor, right? And on the left side panel, we're gonna just tap brand here, okay? So we're gonna tap the brand tab on the left sidebar to drag and drop your saved logos, photos, or graphics straight in onto your canvas. Afterwards, you're gonna go ahead to designs and select styles to see your brand color palette and font sets. Now you can click your brand color palette or font combination to apply it to your page, then click apply to all pages for full consistency. As obviously, as you can see, you need to upgrade in order to access the brand kit, but if you upgrade it, just go and basically drop, or basically you can drag and drop your saved logos, photos, or graphics straight onto your canvas, right? And go to designs and select styles to see your brand color palette and font sets. And of course, you can apply to all pages for full consistency. So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.